وطبيب نفوسنا أبي القاسم المصطفى محمد. In ayah number 23, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him, and to parents good treatment. Allah said, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ, made something. When Allah speaks in this way, it means that it's very important. Doesn't say worship Allah. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ, Allah wants in this way. This is what Allah wants. This is your Lord has decreed. And it is just two things. One, Allah ta'budu illa iyyah. It's clear, it's very important. You cannot be a believer, a Muslim, and then worship something except Allah. You should worship just Allah. And then immediately, beside Allah, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. You should respect, you should do your best for your parents. You see the meaning of ihsan. When your parents are good to you and you are good to them, we call it adl, justice, not ihsan. Anybody does good to you, you should answer in a good way. It is adl. If you don't do in a good way, you are zalim, you are oppressor. But if your parents, they made a mistake, they do something bad against you, and you do good, you answer in a good way, then we can call it ihsan. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, worship me, just me, and respect your parents. You cannot say, I worship Allah, I am a Muslim, but I don't care about my parents. If you want your life to be blessed, it's not difficult. Sometimes we think that we should work hard and 10 years, 20 years, earn a lot of money, and after that, inshallah, we will be happy. No, today you can decide to be happy. When you help a poor person, it makes you happy, bless your life. When you stop your car and let the other car pass, it makes you happy. After Salat, if you didn't call your parents this week, you can call them, my father, my mother, I want to greet you. It will bless your life. It will bless your day. It's not difficult. But usually shaitan makes it difficult for us. يُخَوِّفُ أَوْلِيَاءَ اللَّهِ يُخَوِّفُ أَوْلِيَاءَهُ, makes fear. We don't know why we don't do. Even now, if you decide that inshallah after Salat I will call them, it will bless your life. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. Don't worship except Allah. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And do your best for your parents. If they are alive, if they are dead, pray for them. Don't forget them. Don't say why I have problem in my life, because you don't care about your duty. You don't care about your parents. If your father and mother just say, with sadness, it can destroy your life. Then Allah explained, because it is important, Allah explained more. إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِنْدَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُلْ لَهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا وَقُلْ لَهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا. Whether one or both of them reach old age while with you, say not to them as off. Don't show your anger to them, and don't repel them, but speak to them a noble word. They are old. He says, when they are al-kibar, they are old. When they are old, they don't know what to say. Sometimes they say something wrong. Sometimes they do something wrong. You cannot be angry. You cannot say off, even off. It doesn't speak about believers. Your parents, they are Muslim or non-Muslim, no difference. You should respect them, even if they are not Muslim, even if they are not believers. You should respect them. You cannot say off. You cannot show your anger to them. It will destroy your life. Read about the people that they are successful in their life, especially the believers. You see that first they did their best for their parents.